In this video, we're going to look at the fraction of an amount, but we're going to deal with the reverse. For the previous knowledge required for this video is multiplying integers and dividing integers. So let's look at this example. 1/4 of a number is 6. What is the number? Okay, so a diagram may help for this. So 1/4, which is there, that number is 6. So if one is the number, well, all of it must be 6. So it must be 6 times 4, which is 24. 3/8 of a number is 48. So 3/8 of a number is 48. So those 3 stand for 48. But to get one of them, I would have to divide by the numerator. So I divide by that numerator there. So it's 48 divided by 3. So 48 divided by 3, 16. So 16 must go into one of those boxes. And to get the total, I multiply by the denominator. So this is the opposite of fraction of an amount. So I divide by the numerator and I multiply by the denominator. So 16 multiplied by 8. 8 6 is 48. 8 1 is 8. And 4 is 128 is my answer. These are a little bit different. A number is decreased by 1/3. The result is 30. What was the number? Well, that must mean that 30 is equal to 2/3. So if it's decreased by 1/3, it must be what's left is 2/3. So to get the number, I divide by the numerator and multiply by the denominator. So I can do this in my head. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. And 15 multiplied by 3 is equal to 45. I hope I could check these and I've done this correct. The number is decreased by 1/3. The result is 30. 1/3 of 45 is 15. Take it away, gives me 30. A number is increased by 1/4. The result is 20. What was the number? This is a bit more advanced. Again, 20 is equal to 5/4. So it's increased. So if it was decreased, it would fall from 4/4, the full number, to 3/4. If it's increased, let's go up to 5/4. So again, I divide by the top and multiply by the bottom. And then 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Check your answer. A number is increased, so a number 16 is increased by 1/4. 1/4 of 16 is 4. Added on gives me 20. Number is decreased by 2/5. The result is 18. What was the number? So the number, which is 5/5, decreased by 2/5. 18 is equal to 3/5 of that number. Divided by the bottom, use the same divide by the bottom, but divided by the numerator, multiplied by the denominator. So that's 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 5, 30. Check your answer. 2/5 is 12. Take it away, it gives me 18. Jack is 1/4 of Megan's age. Megan's 2/5 of Callan's age. Jack is 3 years old. How old is Callan? Okay, so let's do these in reverse. Jack is 1/4 of Megan's age. So Jack is 3. So 3 years is equal to 1/4. So the total of 4/4 would be 3 times 4, which is 12 years. That is how old Megan is. Megan is 2/5 of Callum's age. So 12 years is equal to 2/5. So Callum must be 30. Let's just check. Callum is 30. 2/5 of 30 is 12. Megan is 12. Jack is 1/4 of 12 is 3. And I've proved to myself that that question is correct. Okay, here are some questions. Have a go, press pause. The answers will follow in 1 moment. There are your answers.